Sharp Bafetu. So today Orlando Pirates played their first preseason game out of 4 games, and unfortunately for coach Abdeslam Moadu, it did not go out as planned in his first game in charge of Orlando Pirates, as they were defeated 2-0 by the English side, that is Bolton Wanderers. And one thing that I discovered about Pirates is that they are still facing the same problem that they had last season, because they are unable to deal with set pieces, especially crosses. Hopefully that is a problem that coach Abdeslam Moadu will be able to come up with a solution for, because it's becoming too costly. Because these 2 goals that they considered them via set pieces, specifically from crosses, And then on the bright side, this is Lebone Sieme, the guy on the right side of your phone. This is Lebone Sieme, was among the signings that made their debuts today, and I was quite impressed with Lebone Sieme. He played alongside Thapelo Xhoke at that centre back position. He's cool, calm and collected, a ball playing centre back, freely playing, does not panic, engages with the rest of the players in the pitch. So this is the guy I'm looking forward to, as well as Sihle Nduli and Tsepo Mashilwane. I was quite impressed with them as well. Orlando Pirates now focusing on Pafos FC. That is their next opponent in fixture number 2 in this preseason tour at Spain, which will take place on Sunday, 13 July. From me to you, Manbonge Bafetu Dango.